What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use a single name on your Facebook account using your mobile device without the need for any symbols or unconventional methods. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, open the Facebook application on your mobile device and ensure that you're logged in with the right account. Next, tap on the menu button at the lower right corner of your screen and scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Here, select Settings and then navigate to Account Center. In the Account Center, choose the profile linked to your Facebook account. Tap on your name and you'll be given the option to edit it. Here, proceed to remove your last name. Since the form requires a last name, simply press the spacebar to bypass this requirement. For those unaware, using the spacebar button enters a blank invisible space in the last name field, which essentially fulfills the requirement of not leaving the last name field empty. When done, tap on Review Changes and proceed to save changes. It's recommended to confirm the update by logging out and then logging back into your Facebook account. This step ensures the changes have taken effect and you should now only see your first name displayed on your profile. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.